All right, guys, we got the HellNational. She got a turbocharged Hellcat engine. And this is the reason why the Gbody platform is the best car platform ever created. It's the most versatile, and it's the best foundation to build that any average guy can afford. And you can pretty much put any drivetrain in here that you want. It's got 4-wheel disc brakes, wheel wood on the front, Teslas on the back with big meats. She got a roll cage, floor shifter, digital gauges. She need a little TLC, but for a race car, it's perfect.